Hey there, productivity pros. Ever find yourself staring at your screen, unable to concentrate? Yeah, me too. Let's dive into why you might be struggling to focus and, more importantly, how to fix it. First off, let's talk about your workspace. Cluttered desk, cluttered mind. Try keeping your space organized and minimalistic. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. Next up, distractions. Your phone, those endless notifications, they're killers for focus. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb mode and use apps like Forest to stay disciplined. Ever heard of the Pomodoro technique? It's a game changer. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat. This method keeps your brain fresh and prevents burnout. Diet and exercise also play a crucial role. Skipping meals or relying on junk food? Nope, not gonna cut it. Opt for brain-fueling foods like nuts, fruits and veggies, and don't skip those workouts. A fit body means a fit mind. Lastly, let's not forget about sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours. Lack of sleep can seriously impair your focus and cognitive functions, so there you have it. Tidy up your workspace, minimize distractions, try the Pomodoro technique, eat well, exercise, and get enough sleep. Implement these tips and you'll see a significant boost in your focus and productivity. Stay sharp, stay productive. Catch you in the next video.